28th May 2020, exactly a year before, we started our journey of Dua's Knowledge Portal. And today, we complete 1 year of Dua's Knowledge Portal. And this journey wouldn't have been possible without the help, support and blessings of you all. Every human being is unique, possesses tremendous knowledge, capabilities and lot of things. There are a lot of possibilities that exist within us. But we need someone who can help us channelize that energy in a way that we can actually realize our true potential. And we, Dua's Knowledge Portal, are committed to do that. We have been doing this for past 1 year and we'll be continuing using our spiritual science technology, the psychology and the psychotherapy tool to help individuals embark upon their journey of becoming a better version of self. So stay together because together we can and we will make a difference.
I got a chance of attending couple of sessions on time management by Sanjay Dua of Dua's Knowledge Portal. It was quite enlightening and the perspective and approach was fantastic. I personally adopted few of the techniques on time management and it helped me a lot. Keep enlightening the lives and we are always there with you in this journey. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Deepak Thakur and I've attended more than 16 sessions conducted by Sanjay sir. Earlier, I used to doubt myself and my abilities a lot, but now I can proudly say that I've evolved myself, and the credit goes to Dua's Knowledge Portal for helping me discover my inner potential and abilities. So it's a big thank you.
Thank you Dua's Knowledge Portal for the very appealing and interesting sessions. It really increased my courage and confidence level.
Hi, I would like to congratulate Sanjay on completing 1 year of Dua's Knowledge Portal. Sanjay is not just a great instructor who brings 100% of himself to his courses, he's also a great learner. As much as I've seen his students evolve into better versions of themselves, I have seen Sanjay grow as well, picking on the fine nuances and the pulse of his audience. Every single student from my class junior that has taken his courses also have only wonderful things to say about it. I wish Sanjay all the very best and may you keep rising and keep shining out.